Okay, so I got some fresh papaya here. Here we have some local papaya that's on the ground. We cleaned it up, and we have some local oranges. I'm positive those are oranges, so these are our local fruits here we're gonna try. Here's a local orange that I would loosen the shell around it. Right away I noticed the citrusy flavor. That's a thick skin on there. Oh boy. Full things about eating organic. There's no wrapper, no nothing. It's just straight from the tree to your mouth. No seeds. No seeds, guys. Local papaya. Let's check this guy out and see what he's all about. All right, let's get into this. Very soft. Goes right in with ease. Wow, I'm surprised, honestly, how easy we eat that. Through there. Oh, we have seeds. Check those seeds out. Do you think a papaya tree will grow here from these seeds? I'm gonna de-seed this. Oh, it's a cantaloupe. Never cut toward yourself. We have meat of the fruit ready. Oh, yes. Oh. A lot of juice. A lot of flavor. I mean, amazing. So guys, we have gathered up some local fruits and ate them. And I gotta say, it was amazing. Thank you for joining us.